Hey guys! In this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best parking mode dash cams that are available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're looking for a budget-friendly option or a premium device with advanced features, we've got you covered. You can find all the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Coming in at number 5 is the KingSlim Dashcam E2 Pro. This is our most budget-friendly option today, priced at just $29.95. But don't let the price fool you. It still offers a solid range of features for everyday drivers. The E2 Pro provides dual-channel recording, with 2K resolution for the front camera and 1080p for the rear, ensuring decent video quality on a tight budget. With wide recording angles of 170 degrees at the front and 150 degrees at the rear, it captures most of the road and surrounding areas. The design is compact and unobtrusive, featuring a 1.47-inch LCD screen that won't block your view while driving. It also has a heat-resistant build, which is a thoughtful addition for those in warmer climates. While it doesn't include a high-end parking mode, it does come with a G-sensor for emergency recording and loop recording to ensure continuous operation. However, it's worth noting that the memory card, up to 256 gigabytes supported, is not included. The KingSlim E2 Pro is a great entry-level dash cam for casual drivers or anyone new to dash cams. While its night vision and parking mode features are basic compared to higher-end models, the app control and Wi-Fi connectivity are nice additions for this price point. Pros include its affordability, dual-channel recording, and compact design, but the lack of advanced features, such as GPS or super night vision, means it's best suited for those with lighter needs. At number 4, we have the ASDOME M01 Max, a 4K front and 1080p rear dashcam that offers excellent value for its features. This dashcam is all about crystal clear video quality with 4K Ultra HD resolution for the front camera that captures fine details like license plates and street signs. ADAS, Advanced Driver Assistance Systems, is a standout feature here, offering safety alerts that can be a game changer for new drivers or those in busy urban areas. The design is compact and sleek, and it comes with IP68 waterproofing for the rear camera, making it durable for various weather conditions. It also includes a free 64GB micro SD card, which is a nice touch to get you started right out of the box. The ASDOME app adds convenience, allowing you to manage settings, view footage, and share videos directly from your phone. However, the parking mode requires a separately purchased hardwire kit, which is a slight downside. For anyone looking for high-resolution recording and essential safety features, the ASDOME M01 Max is a solid mid-range option. The pros include its 4K video quality, included memory card, and ADAS features. On the downside, it lacks some high-end features like built-in GPS and comes with a relatively higher price point compared to other mid-tier options. It's ideal for drivers who prioritize video quality and safety features. Taking the third spot is the Spreeleaf 4K dashcam, which stands out for its radar-based 24/7 parking monitoring. This feature provides all-weather surveillance, automatically recording when motion is detected around your vehicle. With a 4K front camera and 1080p rear, the video quality is excellent and captures fine details day or night. The included 128GB micro SD card is a major bonus, offering plenty of storage right out of the box. The design is both functional and user-friendly, featuring a 3.16-inch touchscreen for quick navigation and setup. Installation is a breeze thanks to the included OBD hardwire kit, which also prevents your car battery from draining. The built-in GPS and dual-band Wi-Fi allow for seamless video transfer and route tracking using the Spreeleaf app. Night vision performance is solid, thanks to WDR technology, which balances exposure in challenging lighting conditions. The Spreeleaf dashcam is perfect for those who want a premium parking mode and an easy-to-use interface. Pros include its radar-based parking monitoring, included memory card, and high-resolution video. However, its heavier build and higher price point may not appeal to everyone. Overall, it's a fantastic choice for safety-conscious drivers who need reliable parking surveillance. In second place, we have the Garmin Dashcam Mini 3, a premium ultra-compact dashcam that offers exceptional convenience and performance. Measuring just 2 inches in length, it's one of the most discreet options on the market. Despite its small size, it packs a punch with 1080p HD video quality and a 140 degrees field of view that captures all the essentials. The Clarity Polarizer lens significantly reduces glare, ensuring clear footage even in bright sunlight. This dashcam is built for simplicity and reliability. Features like automatic incident recording, voice control, and seamless integration with the Garmin Drive app make it incredibly user-friendly. The optional Vault subscription unlocks advanced features like live view and parking guard notifications, though you can still enjoy basic functionality without it. Designed to withstand extreme temperatures, the Mini 3 is perfect for hot or cold climates. If you're looking for a high-quality, compact dashcam that's easy to use, the Garmin Mini 3 is an excellent choice. It's ideal for drivers who value discretion and simplicity. Pros include its ultra-compact design, glare-reducing lens, and intuitive app, while the need for a subscription to unlock full features is a minor drawback. It's a top choice for those willing to invest in a premium option. Finally, at number 1, we have the Rove R2 4K Dual Dashcam, which combines cutting-edge technology with exceptional performance. This dashcam offers 4K front and 1080p rear recording capabilities, delivering stunning video quality. The Sony Starvis 2 sensor ensures excellent low-light performance, making it a great option for nighttime driving. Its 24/7 parking mode offers 3 options: time-lapse, motion detection, and collision detection, giving you ultimate flexibility for parking surveillance. The Rove R2 4K is packed with features, including built-in GPS for route tracking, 5 GHz Wi-Fi for lightning-fast video downloads, and a 128GB microSD card to get you started. The 3-inch IPS screen provides a clear and vibrant display, while the supercapacitor ensures durability in extreme temperatures. The inclusion of advanced features like HDR and voice guidance sets it apart from the competition. This dashcam is perfect for tech-savvy users or anyone looking for a premium, feature-rich option. Pros include its 4K video quality, versatile parking mode, and robust build quality. The only downside is that the hardwire kit for parking mode is sold separately. Overall, the Rove R2 4K is the best choice for those who want top-of-the-line performance and reliability. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope this video helped you find the perfect dashcam for your needs. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more in-depth product reviews. If you have any questions about these products, drop them in the comments below, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. See you in the next video.